Hi, welcome to Scandal Recap. My boys are caught and there is nowhere to hide for them. All three of them will be questioned to police stage today's episode, but also Tutugo and Poyet. Now, I'm out here wondering what happened to Umlungu. What happened to Umlungu, because he too was part of this plan. He too was part of people who were executing the plan, but it seems like there are zero consequences for him. And it does seem like the boys want to stick out for one another, especially when I heard Undotugo saying, no, Poyet was actually not part of it. He booked the room and he left. It seems like the detective is not about to believe that someone would just book a room, pay for the room, and just leave just like that. And it seems like Poyet is the story that he is sticking to as well. Now, I really want Umlungu to be questioned as to what really happened that night. Who do you think did it? Who do you think went through and did such a horrible act that night? I know that Pototo and Tutugo are just as guilty and cruel for dumping the body. It's like humanity, honestly. It's like humanity, dumping someone's body like that. But who do you think did it? I had Pototo suspecting Ugaugelo, and for some reason I really want to defend Ugaugelo. I'm like, no, I doubt if she could pull or go through with such a cruel act. But yeah, guys, please comment and tell us, who do you think went through and did this horrible act? Uncle Nkloso passed away. I panicked. But I'm like, Kanye, are you sure that you had the right thing? Perhaps Dintle said Nkloso is dead to me. And Ukanye took that as the meaning of Uncle. This means Uncle Nkloso is no more. Like, I feel like it's highly possible that's how Kanye took this whole thing. I doubt that Uncle Nkloso is bad. But one thing for sure is that when it rains, it's pours for the gases, okay? We really hope umalume or ubabumncane umthunzi will come through for our girl Untutuko. Now, I don't know about Pototo's theory that Gaugelo could be behind this. Like, I don't know how do I feel about that theory. Hey, because apparently she was the only one who was in the party, and she was the only one who was not drinking, and she's the only one who remembers most of the things. Yet, like, she is just, I don't know how is Gaugelo moving. She's moving a bit shaky, hey? She's moving a bit shaky, but also she has never been portrayed as a psycho, unstable person. So I don't know. At this point, we don't know in who might have harmed the girl. We do not know. We honestly do not know who that could be. But I guess Scandal really does not take time to reveal truth, hey? Scandal really does not take time. We keep on finding out Scandal. I'm sure we're going to find out very soon who could be behind this whole thing.
The workers would see Haibosana, like, why were you denying that you're the one who actually made the reservations, or you're the one who booked the room, you were staying in this room? And he goes like, no, I know that I denied, but I was not really denying. I thought that you guys were calling me because something is broken. They were like, no, you just wanted to stay for free, you didn't want to take responsibility. Manji really wants nothing to do with this. He doesn't even want to hang around with Untutugo and Upototo. Understandably so. But they all panic by the fact that the body has not been found yet. They are in so much panic. The other thing is that there is a girl who goes by the name of Gaulelo, who was also in the party. And I think as soon as she finds out that the girl's body is missing, she will put two and two together, and she will know that no, I know this girl from the party. I know this girl from the party. How is she missing? So I think their plan and their cover will most likely be blown out by Uhaukelo. She's the one who's gonna snitch on them. She's the one who's gonna be like, no, this girl, we went to the party with her, and how is she not back home yet? Another thing is that where is Orchid? Like, Orchid was the one who provided these boys with pills, and now he is nowhere to be found. Now he is absolutely nowhere to be found. And I'm like, why these three are always talking, like all three of them, as if Orchid was not in it as well. And Orchid is the one who actually came with the pills, you know what I mean? So, yeah, guys, Scandal is keeping us in the tip of our toes. I do hate the Talita storyline, so boring. Do not even start me with TD. Like, can we just have this wedding and get it over and done with? Because I can't with TD. At this point, I can't with her storyline. It's overwhelming, honestly.
Stand by Untloso even after finding out that Untloso kidnapped Mahlomo, but I think this is her last straw, okay? Mahlomo also will decide to protect Untloso, so Untloso ain't going to see prison cells ever again. But we are starting a new storyline in Tutsuko, my dear. Tutsuko have a hugest crush, the biggest crush ever, and it seems like this crush that Tutsuko have is gonna be the end of him. This is gonna be the hill that he's going to die on, because Susana, I don't know what's gonna happen on the party, but listen, Scandal is bringing new hot storylines each and every time. About such a huge transaction. For me, it makes me to clap for Mahlomo. Meanwhile, Mahlomo is moving and living her best life with her boyfriend Umthunzi. Sana Untloso uyagowisha uyafokofa. Yay. Like, Untloso is going through it right now with his wedding issues with Udinhle. Hey, akagowisha Untloso uyafokofa, akagowisha Untloso ufufela komoyengi. Love it for Elsa, who he realizes that he has made a mistake, or he made a mistake in marrying Udinhle. Dinhle could never be the woman that she is, okay? So, guys, whilst Untloso is apologizing to Mahlomo, what exactly is he trying to say? Like, what exactly is he trying to say? Is he saying that he's willing to be a stepfather to Mthunzi's son? Like, Untloso, my babe, Untloso, what are you saying? Okay, you are saying it's okay, you can go and raise Mthunzi's child and be a stepdad. Oh, Sana, akagowisha Untloso uyafokofa, akagowisha Untloso ufufela komoyeng. Love is for Mahlomo. I love it for Mahlomo. So Untloso will also go and attack Umthunzi, you know, because he's gonna realize that Umthunzi now is getting really close to his children, and he's also gonna go and try to apologize to Lihle, that Lihle find out the way that she found out about them moving to a new house and everything, and also just he's gonna just assault Umthunzi. So I don't know if Umthunzi will just open the case for Untloso. I think at this point Umthunzi will open the case for Untloso. Sana, I love it for Mahlomo. A win is a win. A win is a win. Move on with your life for Mahlomo, even though Umthunzi is not the best candidate. But if Mthunzi is the best candidate for Mahlomo, so be it. Is you know to be a who of a husband. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Because tell me why this man is busy working with a woman till late hours, never prioritizing his wife, and when Toriso is angry,
he does not understand. He's like, are you jealous of my success? Like, say, what do you even mean? What's success? What's success? If there's someone who stays behind you and who encourage you and who wants to see you win, definitely that person has to be Thoriso. Like, hands down, Thoriso wants to see Poyet win. But definitely, if Poyet does not want to see himself winning, there is nothing that can be done at this point. There is absolutely nothing that can be done. It all depends on Poyet. Poyet, babe, do you want to see yourself win? Yes or no? Because there's absolutely nothing that can be done, okay? I must say, when it comes to Dinhle and Hloso, that marriage to me is dead. It's boring and dead. But however, when it comes to Thoriso and Poyet, I'm hurt and I'm hopeful that Poyet Manchi will come to his senses very soon and realize that he's making a huge mistake. One of the biggest mistake of his life by letting Thoriso go. You don't let a woman like Thoriso go. You just don't. Okay, you just don't. And realizes that Buyi definitely have ill intentions towards him and the relationship that he have with Thoriso, just definitely does not wish him well at all.
What surprises me here ukuthi mother in love kaMahlomo uyeza lana uzobuza uMahlomo ukuthi kahle kuhamba kanjani phakathi kwakhe benendodana yakhe phela uNhloso. uMahlomo uyasho ke lana ukuthi hayi no kuyahamba khona akufani useyabuza ngilana ukuthi kodwa yona inkonzo yasekamereni isabanjwa nje. Hayi-ke uMahlomo uyasho ukuthi no inkonzo yasekamereni okwamanje kusathiwe nje pause, uMother in Love uyachaza ngelokho ukuthi no akuyona nje into enhle ukupauza phela noma ukumisa inkonzo yasekamereni, ngoba inkonzo yasekamereni iyona esikhathini esiningi evamise ukusondeza abantu noma ukwenza abantu bezizwe phela besondelene. Mangabe ke isifakiwe futhi kupause akube kusaba yinto enhle. Ayike uMahlomo ngelana uyasho ukuthi no yena nje akanayo inkinga nencane le inkinga nokuthi phela inkonzo yasekamereni ifakwe kupause. Uyasho ngilana uMahlomo ukuthi noma isingamiswa unomphele ayike bandla uMother in Love wabe nje lahlekelwe, she lost her mind and she then said lalela la wentombazane Mahlomo wena umamkhulu wala ekhaya, futhi ngoba umamkhulu wala ekhaya nje usuzoba nomnakweni awufuni ke phela ukuthi uNhloso ehambe eyohlala kamnakwenu engabe nje esabuya la ekhaya. Ayike uMahlomo yasho ukuthi kanti khulekayo wema anginayo nje mina inkinga ngisho nencane noma ngathiwa uNhloso uyahamba uyohlala kamnakwethu akasabuyi nje kuzobe vele kusayifanele. And uyasho ke lana uMahlomo ukuthi kusiza ngani ukugxila enkonzweni yasekamereni ngoba nangalesikhathi besagxilile kakhulu enkonzweni kwasekamereni lokho akukaze kumenze umyeni wakhe ukuthi ethembeke kuyena. So kusazifanela. And uMother in Love uyasho ke lana ukuthi no yena mhlawumbe insuku zakhe zokuthi ethuthe ebuyele ngasekhaya seziya ngokufika. So therefore uMahlomo lo kuzomela kube uyena uzofundisa umnakwabo ukuthi izinto la ekhaya zenziwa kanjani. Wavuka nje libomvu uMahlomo ethubani yena. Mina ngifundisa umnakwethu ukuthi izinto la ekhaya ngifile ngoba nje into engasoze ngayenza leyo, sobe ngakwazi mina ukufundisa umnakwethu ukuthi izinto zala ekhaya zenziwa kanjani. Uyasho lana ukuthi yena nje mangabe kukhona umuntu ayoke emfundise ukuthi ini kuyobe kuwumfazi ke kaThuthuka futhi yena ngoba nalapho kuyobe kumphoqa. Hayi-ke kuthe kusenjalo wangena uLuntuzana kayizini ngisacela ukunibuza lana ukuthi ngokwenu ukubona ngabe nibone ngathi uMother in Love ufe yini Nkosi yami, noma uMother in Love Nkosi yami usecacisile phela ukuthi no if she has to choose a side she will definitely choose her son's side, which in a way can blame uMother in Love, in a way I can blame
ekugcineni kosuku uNhloso iyona ndodana yakhe yange impela. So ke guysini uNhloso ke lana futhi uyakhuluma ke noMadlomo. uNhloso guysini hayi ngeke shame. Akhona yini ngempela abadoda afana noNhloso? Yey ngiyazi phela mina into enjeni. uNhloso kahle uyasigila. So ke uNhloso ke lana uya ubusy ke uphansi phezulu uyafuna uyacinga umatasatasa ucinga ke phela yona incwadi yamalobolo. Ubuza ngisho uMadlomo isibindi sikaNhloso sokubusa uMadlomo ukuthi uyayazi yini ukuthi incwadi yamalobolo ikuphi. Hayi bo wenhloso khuzeka wenhloso unqandeka kuse futhi uMadlomo ke lana uyasho ukuthi hey lalela ke Nhloso angiyazi nje mina incwadi yakhe yamalobolo and uyasho ke lana ukuthi no ngisacela sikhulume. uNhloso uyamdismissa ukuthi no sizobuye sikhulume kodwa okwamanje ngisafuna incwadi yamalobolo so that sizohamba siyoyenza umshado wethu ukuthi ube right ube legally mina noZinhle so that mina nawe sizophinde sishade futhi. uMadlomo uyasho ke lana ukuthi kahle yona into engifuna ukukhuluma ngawe leyo. Mina ngifisa wazi ukuthi angifuni ukuphinde ngishade nawe noma ukuphinde ngivuselele umshado wethu phakathi kwami nawe. Ngihappy nje ngokuthi umshado wethu usuhlezi ku divorce. uNhloso uyasho ke lana ukuthi hayibo ukhuluma ngani manje Mahlobo? Engani sasikhulumile vele nasekuqaleni ukuthi sizolontuza sizohlukanisa so that ngizokwazi ukushada uDinhle. So as soon as I'm done ngendaba kaDinhle sizohamba siyovuselela umshado wethu. uMadlomo vele asilalela wenhloso wena wakhuluma mina ngamamela. Mina nje into esengifisa ukuthi uyazi njengamanje ukuthi mina ngikhathele ngitikiwe finish okay ukuthi ngibe umfazi wakho. ukuba umfazi wakho nje sekuyanginyanyisa angisakuthandi. Ngithi yes wena Madlomo stand your ground wena Madlomo. Like I've been rooting for uMadlomo to stand her ground. I've been team Madlomo all the way. Ngithi yes wena Madlomo I am all in support for you. What you are actually doing I'm in support. Okay, be you. Okay, and it appears yelana ukuthi uNhloso nkosami cares a little, cares a little nge-opinion kaMadlomo nanokuthi uMadlomo uzizwa kanjani ey'ntweni ey'ningi. Kodwa ke guysini akusena ndaba nkosi yami. Like honestly like for me angisenayo indaba engako as long as uMadlomo is now standing her ground, as long as uMadlomo she's now this person who's just like lalela wenhloso sengikhathele like sengi-right wena ndidikiwe ndi-sharp ndi-finish nje. I just wish for you to understand ukuthi you have taken so much from me, and since you have taken so much from me I am honestly tired and have no desire to continue being your wife. Okay, ngifuna ukuthi sehlukaniso sibe khona sibe nje right and present. Okay, meanwhile on the other side Dinhle she's trying so hard to explain to her kids so that they would understand ukuthi kahle what is polygamy. It seems like Dinhle's kids don't understand what is polygamy and all that, and Dinhle also is trying to justify it as much as she can. Which no, polygamy is not as bad as you think. Polygamy is actually a good thing. It brings families together. It avoids divorce, this and that. Well, we all know, of course, Dinhle will be in support and favor of polygamy because right now, uyena uzoba umamncane, okay? But if tables were turned, Dinhle was actually in Madlomo's shoes, she was gonna be crying, okay? She was gonna be crying and she was never gonna understand ukuthi ngobani kuzoze kuthiwa kuba nepolygamy, ngoba kwenze njani polygamy, ngoba kwenze njani, but ke guysini because uzoba umamncane, I mean it's all roses right now. uthi nje no it's Tempu yona into right, it avoids black families breaking up, this and that. Okay, so guys, please while sisakhuluma ngoMadlomo, can you all tell me, like, let's just predict, okay? What do you all think? Do you think ukuthi uMadlomo lona do you think ukuthi uMadlomo she will actually not go uzohlala uMadlomo until